you.
Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemug NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemug NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. It is now time to thank our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemug, official streaming platform Waves and DD Sports, associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters over here Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Kopar Kherne Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Bandar Lions, Move Moda Aroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tusker Zest 1 point always, and they had the point to prove today as Zest Kalyan Tuskers won this game by 2 wickets in a close encounter over here. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Bhupinder Sinha, the CEO of NMPL. Then to his left, we have got Mr. Brijesh Solkar, the selector of NMPL. And we have got Mr. Vinay Patil with us. Can we have Arun from Belapur Blasters, their captain? Arun, the batters did the job that well, but still the bowlers came strongly. And once Dashrath picked the wicket of Divyansh, somewhere the fielding was a key factor in this match.
Yeah, rightly. The way you said, fielding is a key point, and for a batting point of view, I think we scored quite a good total. Just fielding like us down.
Yeah, those drop catches cost the game to you.
Yeah. Crucial time we drop catches on a crucial moment, so that cost the game.
All the best for your future game.
Thank you, sir.
Now, time to invite the winning captain, but he is also a player of the match, Divyansh Saxena. First, you can receive the trophy from Bhupinder Sinha sir over here. Then you can receive Zixa sunscreen over here from Brijesh sir. And then Sculpted Nutrition over here from Mr. Vinay Patil. Divyansh, somewhere the heartbeat was going up and down when your wicket fell and a couple of wickets fell down.
Yeah, but I had trust in the batters that were going in later as also, because we had a huge blow yesterday, Omkesh not being there. So middle order had a point to prove and they did really well.
You came back strongly in the field today. You learned a lot from the last game. But do you think that after getting a 50, you need to spend some time in the middle? Because this has become a habit, 54, 39 and 53 and getting out.
I wasn't aware of both my half centuries, so I'm just playing according to the ball. Yes, there were a couple of errors from my side, judging the length wrong, but hopefully I do better next time.
What's the news on your player who got injured in the last game, Omkesh?
He has scans today, so let's see, hope all goes well.
All the best for your future game. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you in the evening.